Well, that's a good question. I might have to think about it for a second. I would say that. Let me put it this way. I would say that value investing led me to Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, and I picked up a whole bunch of values which have nothing to do with investing from these guys, right? And I saw specifically in actually both their cases that they really didn't care about the money they were making. I mean, I think it's a way of giving score for them, especially Warren. But it has very little impact on their lifestyle. You know, they're not really spending the money, going to give it away, and all those sorts of things. And so I think some of that has rubbed off on me, probably not to the extent that it's with them. So I think it grounds you. I think some of those, if you pursue value investing, you cannot pursue it without understanding Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. If you understand them as people and as humans, they're as high a quality as you can possibly get. And if you emulate their qualities which are unrelated to investing, the only thing that can happen is it can improve your life. So I think for me personally, there would not have been, for example, there would not have been a Dakshina if I were not influenced by Warren Buffett, right? So that is not Warren Buffett, the value investor. That's Warren Buffett, the philanthropist, right? And so I wouldn't have had the values of, the fallacy of having large inheritances. You know, my kids are not interested in large inheritances, as neither am I. And again, that has come through because of the influence of Warren and Charlie. So I think there's many things that I picked up from them that either I'd never paid attention to or I never thought about. And so that's been useful. And with that, thank you very much.